Welcome to the launch of a beautiful show called Tijori, curated by Krina and Hitangi, all happening at the Bohemian Gallery. Let's get to know the details from the ladies themselves.
Hello, hi. We've brought 10 amazing brands together. In collection, we have Bandesh, Patola, jewelry, we have accessories, and we also have sarees all under one roof.
Yes, and it is happening at the Bohemian Gallery today and tomorrow, 10:30 to 7:30. We would love to see you all here.
This is brand Morar.
Bunch of winter collections, poncho style tops that you can wear with dressy pants, like something like what I'm wearing.
Right.
With this.
Lovely.
And wear some. We have these, which you can wear over your ghagras and cholis or a crop top and skirt.
Wow.
And again, some more layovers that you can dress up.
Okay.
Some mehendi kaftan.
Very pretty. Look at that.
Pair it with a pant or a slip dress inside, and your sleeves were specially designed for this edit.
Okay.
They're all one of one, so once you get them, they're yours. I'm not going to make them again. It's yours.
Beautiful.
And I'm not going to make it again.
Lovely.
So look at this. For a cocktail, one of my favorites,
Wow.
a brocade shirt.
Yes.
You wear it with a pink skirt or a ghagra, you tuck it in, and you put like a necklace under the collar.
Yeah.
Like a green pendant or something, and earrings.
Beautiful.
And then
This is brand House of Aurica. Hello.
Hi, we
Yes.
are here with our exclusive Bandesh collection.
Okay,
So we have
beautiful bandage.
and pastel colors.
Okay. Just look
One
at
similar
that.
what I'm wearing.
Alright.
Then we have some traditional colors as well.
Very pretty. Look at that.
We have this unique piece. This is Kanjivaram with Bandesh.
Kanjivaram with bandage. Okay.
We do have color options in that also.
Okay.
Then we have these pure Chanderi tissue, Shibori kaftans.
Okay.
And we have traditional colors in these.
Lovely. Very pretty.
And then we have Meenakari Tilfi dupattas
Okay.
in some traditional colors, ombre colors.
Okay. Just simply beautiful.
And we also have saris.
They also have saris. Okay, beautiful. So this was House of Aurica. Thank you. This is brand Call Me Sunshine. Hello.
Hi.
Yes,
So
tell us.
we have got our wedding collection. We
Okay.
have some more in gold, a lot of
Okay.
bling happening.
Beautiful.
This is our new collection over here. A lot of different colors.
Okay.
We have more of little Indian touch bags.
Beautiful.
We also have some accessories, hair accessories.
Okay.
They're
Just
all
look at
handmade.
that. Okay. They are all handmade.
Yes.
Very pretty. Just look at that. Also have this. And they have these beautiful clutches. Okay.
And then we have some clutches, some more bling bags like these. They all come with long slings.
Slings. Okay.
Yeah, all of them. Then we have something like this, something like this.
Look at that.
And then we also have some jute collection.
Very
These are
pretty.
also all handmade.
Beautiful. This is Patola by HK. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, so we have pure single ikat dupattas.
Okay.
We have really lovely colors in that.
Very pretty.
We have very amazing single ikat sarees as
Okay.
well.
Look at the color. Perfect for wedding festivities.
Yes, yes. Also in the best range we
Okay.
have.
Alright.
Yes. So we have this Rajkoti Patola dupattas.
Very pretty.
We also have a lot of colors, lot of design options as well in it.
Okay.
We also have Rajkoti Patola sarees.
Okay.
Also in a little heavier version with tissue. Yeah. So these are the colors which you
Beautiful.
might have never have seen any of.
Right. Very pretty. Just look at that. And you will find them at the Bohemian only. So do come down and check them out. Look at the collection that they've brought. I'll show you. This is brand Shades by Hina. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes.
So this time we are here with festive collection,
Okay.
wedding and festive. So
Okay.
this is in silk.
Okay.
The one I am wearing.
Lovely.
Yeah. This is again in silk.
Beautiful. Just look at that. Okay.
This is in Chanderi.
Okay.
Again in silk.
Bright orange.
This is in Doda silk with handwork.
Okay.
Then we have got Western also,
Okay, so they have Western collection also.
and linen.
Linen. Wow. Okay. Perfect for vacation and lounge wear also.
Yeah.
It's very smart.
This is Indo-Western kind.
Okay.
These are some of my party wear corsets.
Okay, party wear quad sets. Very
And we
smart.
have some shirts also.
Okay, variety of shirt options as well.
Hello, I'm Krina Kannada from brand Krina Kannada.
Okay.
So we have all the festive wear options. Also we do customizations with casuals and festives, everything.
Lovely.
So let's start with the best selling things. So these are my best selling outfits.
Okay.
It's all customizable in any color you want.
Okay.
Yes. These are the anarkali. This is my best selling anarkali again.
Beautiful. Just
So
look
this
at
is
that.
something very pretty, very
Right.
easy to go. So we have chaniya cholis as well.
Okay. Perfect for bridesmaids or even
Yeah.
for brides who are looking something for their trousseau options.
Yeah. So we have something for brides as well.
Lovely.
Again, we can customize everything.
Okay.
We can also customize blouses.
Blouses.
We
Okay.
customize all the range of blouses.
Very pretty. Just look. This is brand Suave with their beautiful jewelry. They have some statement pieces in jewelry as well. They also have anti-tarnish jewelry. Very pretty. Yes, ma'am. What
So
else do
we
you
have
have?
daily wear jewelry
Uh-huh.
and we are showcasing our wedding collection for the very first time.
Okay.
Like here, this is
Pura
fusion
wedding
jewelry
collection.
that you can pair it with sari, dress, anything.
Okay.
Then we have stackable karas also.
Lovely.
So we have
Stackables we
small
have.
size kara also for the small wrist.
Lovely. Beautiful
Then we have
collection.
chain. We have your
This is brand collection by Kira, and as you can see, they have beautiful statement pieces, perfect for bridal wear, festive, as well as if you want to get it for a wedding. Uske alawa, they have beautiful options in these earrings, something delicate if you want. They also have studs ke options, some festive studs if you want. Just look at that. Rings के बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास. Earrings में है, like I said. This is brand Sari Sisters. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, tell us.
Yes, so we have our new bridal collection.
Okay.
And here we go. This is the most loved collection of ours.
Beautiful.
We have everything for bridesmaids to bride-to-bees
Okay.
and
Simply beautiful. Just look at that. Very pretty. Okay.
we have all the colors, pastels,
Lovely.
dark.
Okay. Very pretty.
And that's our favorite Khatan collection as well. We
Okay.
do have few pieces left actually.
Okay.
So this was also most loved collection.
All
So
right.
we do have few pieces from this as well.
Beautiful.
And this is the new pastel shade we have launched in strips
Very
in
pretty.
Banarsi.
This is brand Saris by Deepmala. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes. So क्या है आज collection
my
में, ma'am?
brand name is Special Deepmala Sarees. ये कांजीवरम सॉफ्ट सिल्क है.
Okay.
ये बंदिश प्रिंट है.
Okay.
इसमें कलर्स अवेलेबल है.
Okay.
इसमें ग्रीन बुट्टी वाला भी आएगा. सॉफ्ट सिल्क में रहेगा.
Soft silk.
तो प्राइस रहेगी 2500.
Okay, 2500 में आपको ये मिल रहा
इसमें ये
है.
रेड कलर मिल जाएगा.
Very
ये ब्लू कलर मिल जाएगा.
Okay.
ये पेस्टल कलर मिल जाएगा. पेस्टल में 4-5 ऑप्शन है.
Okay.
ये पिंक कलर है. सो टीटी ब्लैक कलर.
Very pretty. Just look at that.
मस्टर्ड.
ब्यूटीफुल. एंड कलेक्शन में जो प्राइस रेंज है वो 1500 से स्टार्टिंग है.
100.
जस्ट
ये बटर सिल्क है जो मैंने वेयर किया.
बटर सिल्क जो मैम ने भी सिमिलर मटेरियल की साड़ी पहनी हुई है. वेरी प्रिटी.
एंड इसके कलर्स भी अवेलेबल है.
लवली.